Hello everyone, I am super excited. I am off to Aldi today to do a Christmas haul. So come on, you go with me. Let's see what we can find.
Ooh, I need these pretzels to make a nice party mix. Ooh, I love these coffees and all these different flavors. Well, this is just a nice little gingerbread kit, a little train. How cute. Well, I know some little boys that will like these in their stockings. Well, these look really good, and it comes with a nice case. Okay, so we drink sparkling grape juice every year during Christmas and New Year's. All right, so I need some flour for baking and some sugar. Oh, I'm about out of coconut oil. And I need some chocolate chips, and Aldi has a wonderful selection of those as well. How cute. I use this almond bark a lot in making candy. And these are excellent to decorate cookies. Okay, so Aldi does have some really great meat with awesome prices. They have a large variety, and it is very good quality. I am never afraid to buy meat at Aldi. It's excellent. Oh, I just love all of the Christmas items that Aldi carries this time of year. Great, great finds. This ribbon looks really nice. Good price. And I need some more of these tags. 99 cents. And Aldi also has amazing toys. I love their selection. Just really cute items and good prices. Oh, look at these little walkie-talkies. Now these are cute. I know some little boys who are gonna love those dinosaurs. And look at this little Christmas tree. That's cute. Aldi also has an amazing selection of kitchen utensils and baking goods and things like that. And they're very good quality. This is a really nice cutting board. Oh, they really do have a lot of nice things. Ooh, I like this nice big baking pan here. Very good quality. Oh, I need some more of these Ziploc bags that are Christmas. Good to put cookies for gifts. They also have shoes and socks and all kinds of nice things like that for kids and adults. And of course, they've got Christmas, different candies, which is nice. Ooh, these pretzels look nice. They would be good to put like a Rolo or something inside and bake them. Yeah, nice Christmas candy.
am back from Aldi and I'm so excited to show you everything I found today. But first, if you are new to my channel, I am Chef Christy and I share delicious recipes every single Monday and Thursday, and sometimes I have some extra specials here and there. And I started doing an Aldi haul because I love Aldi. I shop at Aldi all the time, so I'm excited about that. So please subscribe and help me to grow this channel, and give me a thumbs up and let me know that you like my videos. And if you hit the notification bell, then you will know as soon as I upload a new video. But let me show you everything I found today. I got a lot of my baking things today, so let me show you. First thing first is I've got this yellow cake mix, and I'm going to be making a pineapple upside down cake. So I went ahead and got the ingredients for that. So there's pineapple slices and the maraschino, how do you say that? Maraschino cherries. I never know how to say that. So I got this. And I also got these pretzels. I really like these pretzels because I use them in Chex Mix and different types of party mix, and I like the holiday shapes. And then I've got the Chex, the Aldi brand Chex, the corn Chex and rice Chex. Those are very good. And then the like Cheerios, I use that in a party mix as well. Very, very good. And then I also got these Ziploc bags. I really like the holiday edition. It's just good to put cookies or different Christmas treats in them. So I like those. And then of course you always need flour and sugar. They have good prices on that, powdered sugar. And then I started getting my all my chocolate chips and things, and I really like the sea salt and caramel baking chips. I thought those looked really good. The minis, I like these for several different things. To get the mini chocolate chips, and then the white chocolate chips I use in a party mix. And then I love the fact that they have this cookie icing to decorate, and they've got it in red, white, and green. Those are nice to decorate sugar cookies and gingerbread, the gingerbread houses and things like that. Corn syrup, good price on corn syrup. And then they have some of the best buys on their dry roasted peanuts. So I got a couple things of that because I make peanut brittle and things like that. So what I want to show you next is top secret. Shh, it's Christmas gifts. And I'm excited because of what I found today at Aldi. They have awesome toys and just all kinds of odds and ends and things that you can give for gifts. So let me show you what I found. So first I got this 12 different Christmas coffees, and this will be an excellent gift. I like just having things like this on hand. They're delicious. They also, Aldi has like wrapping paper and bows and things like that, and I really needed some more of the gift tags, and so those were 99 cents. And then I came across these candy cane chocolate cookies, and they're really, really good. And I'm probably going to dip these in white chocolate more than likely and give them as gifts. Delicious. And then got some stocking stuffers for 3 little boys, my grandsons. I found these cute Pez dispensers. They love those. They're just fun. So I've got 3 of those, which I have to get 3 different or 3 the same. So I'm excited about that. And then they had socks. So I got 3 different kinds. This is the Paw Patrol. They had a Toy Story and then Mickey Mouse. So those are going to also go in their stockings, along with these graham crackers, these snowman graham crackers, which will go in their stockings, and then the holiday fruit flavored snacks. So those will also go. And then I got some of their Christmas presents at Aldi. These Robo Alive. I think they're gonna love them. I've got this lizard, then a snake, and a dinosaur. So I'm super excited about that. I got some other Christmas today. Okay, so I got a few other things. I've got some pork sausage here. They have a really good sausage, very good quality. I also got a pork tenderloin, a good price, $1.89 a pound. So I'm gonna be making something this week with that. And then there's stuffing mix, and I got some stock, some chicken stock and some turkey stock for this week as well. And then I really didn't get a lot of produce today. I focused mainly on baking and things I need for Christmas, but I did need celery, so I got some celery and some potatoes. They always have excellent produce. So that was my Christmas Aldi haul. That was so much fun. Thank you so much for watching. I love showing you the Christmas gifts that I found today. And if you find these videos helpful, please leave me a thumbs up or a comment below and let me know. I am excited about all the Christmas videos and recipes I've got coming out, so I will see you soon with more recipes.